Hi there! IONOS hosting. Is it good, bad, or just okay? Let's not waste time and get my IONOS review 2023 rolling. So the IONOS company started in Europe all the way back in 1988, and it offers many different services including WordPress hosting and VPS. However, even after all these years, it's not so popular and you can find a few negative comments on the internet. So is it a quantity over quality kind of deal? I'm about to tell you. In this IONOS web hosting review, I'll mostly be looking at shared hosting, so I've left the best discount deals I could find in the description. However, if you want any other type of hosting covered, like this video and leave a comment below to let me know. So, the first thing to note about IONOS web hosting is that unlike most regular shared hosting providers, IONOS only allows you to host for 1 month or 12-month terms. With shared web hosting, IONOS does this one neat thing. It offers its business plan for only $1 a month for the first term. And this plan is quite impressive. Unlimited websites, unlimited storage space, unmetered bandwidth, free domain name for a year, and up to 6 GB of RAM for your sites. Honestly, I kinda doubt there is a better deal you can find for a single dollar a month. Is IONOS hosting worth it? In my opinion, IONOS isn't the best provider if you are only looking for a solution to host a single site. However, the business plan is a pretty great option when hosting multiple sites. Now, ease of use is a little difficult with IONOS since it uses its own custom dashboard for managing your website and services. I usually say that custom dashboards are better than the older structures of cPanel, but here, I kinda don't know. What I will give to IONOS is that the UI is clear and it's easy to navigate. My problem is that it requires a bit more time to learn. The dashboard design is great, but some tools are just weirdly placed. Like to install a new WordPress, I have to go to Domains, select one, and then go to the bottom menu. While working with IONOS dashboard, I always wanted it to be a bit more streamlined. I've also experienced some lag while working with this dashboard, but it was just a few instances. To summarize the IONOS control dashboard, it works, but there is room for improvement. Now, one thing that is always in question with affordable shared hosting, does it have decent performance? Now, to set the stage, Google recommends fully loading your website in around 2.5 seconds to get the best search engine optimization results. So I've installed a WordPress with a simple demo theme and ran it through GTmetrix. The results, this site fully loaded in 1.4 seconds. Compared to the industry standard, IONOS's performance is on the better side, beating out Bluehost and HostGator, but still falling short of Hostinger's blazing servers. Okay, so this Reddit post caught my eye. It seems like IONOS can charge you for extended PHP support if your current version is 7.4 or lower. Now, for some, this might sound very confusing. PHP is just a scripting language servers use, and if you're not a developer or running older projects, you only need to make sure that it is set to the current version. Digging a bit deeper, I found that IONOS doesn't update your PHP version and can charge you for its support if you don't upgrade. Now, while other providers usually don't update your PHP automatically, they also don't charge you for using the old versions. So if you remember to update your PHP, you should be good. Moreover, when we take a look at the security package, it's not bad at all. Every shared web hosting plan has, free SSL certificate, DDoS protection, yada yada. But this IONOS SSL certificate isn't just a bare minimum. These are wildcard certificates that encrypt not only your main domain, but all subdomains as well. With the Expert plan, you also get a malware site scanner. It's a good tool, and while you can get similar protection from WordPress plugins, this gives it a bit more server-side security. I will give a big point here just for having daily backups of your content. You see, Automatic backups can save your life in critical moments, so having them for anything more than a simple portfolio is necessary. The last thing I want to mention here is both for security and performance. It's geo-redundant infrastructure? Geez, try saying that 3 times in a row. Anyway, this means that your website's data stays on 2 different servers, so even if one of them is down or just in maintenance mode, you can still reach your site and work on it. Oh, and if you need more security tips or reviews, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, is IONOS hosting good? While I can't say it's the best web hosting for everyone, it has good performance, an okay dashboard, and lots of resources. However, I would recommend it for those who want to host multiple websites. You'll get the best bang for your buck. Hey, thanks for sticking to the end of my IONOS hosting review. You can find more videos right here. You can also grab a discount for IONOS to get a better deal. If you've used this provider, share your experience, and I'll see everyone else later.